In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Expedia app. If you travel or compare prices across regions, switching the display currency can make planning clearer and faster. Here's how to do it smoothly, with a few pointers to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening the Expedia app on your phone. The layout can vary slightly between iOS and Android, and older app versions may look a bit different, but the options you need are always in roughly the same place. Once the app is open, head to the account area. Look for the profile or person icon, typically at the bottom right of the screen. You don't always need to be signed in just to change the browsing currency, but if your account is tied to a region, your settings might sync to that region automatically. Inside the account section, find Settings or Preferences. It often appears as a gear icon or a labeled menu item. Tap it to open your app-wide options. Next, locate the option labeled Currency, or sometimes Region and Language. Expedia may group currency with language and region controls, so if you don't see currency right away, open Region and Language and look inside. On some versions, it might be under General or App Settings. Now choose your preferred currency from the list. You can scroll or use a search field if one is available. Take a second to ensure you pick the correct one, especially for currencies that share similar symbols. The three-letter codes help here, like USD for US dollars, EUR for euros, or AUD for Australian dollars. After you select the currency, save your changes. Depending on your app version, this might happen automatically, or you may need to tap Save, Apply, or a check mark in the corner. If there's no visible Save button, backing out of the screen usually keeps your selection. If prices don't update right away, refresh or restart the app. A quick pull to refresh on the search results page can do the trick. If that doesn't work, fully close the app and reopen it. Cached searches sometimes hold on to the old currency until you refresh. From here, you should see prices throughout the app displayed in the currency you chose, including search results and individual hotel or flight pages. Keep in mind, changing the display currency helps you compare easily, but the final charge and any conversion fees depend on the payment method, the property, and your bank. That's it. Simple and done. Follow these steps anytime you need to switch currencies, and you'll be ready to shop with clarity.